Welcome to all. See, in the last session, we have talked about creation of the linked list and also traversal of the linked list. In this particular session, we will be talking about inserting an element in the linked list. Okay, and we'll see two aspects. One is insert at the beginning, and another is insert at the end. Okay, and in the subsequent video, we will be discussing about insert after and before, okay, an element, right? So here we will see insert in the beginning and insert in the last. Okay, right. So I have created two functions. If you see, while I was telling you, void insert beginning and insert, at the last. Okay, so let me give the choice also. So now just make, I will just copy, I will just write it here, printf. Okay, so option 2, now I give option 2 as insert at the beginning. Okay, slash n, and option 3 insert at the end. Okay, insert at the end. Okay, slash n. Yes, and this is option 4, and this is option 5. Okay, fine. So this is 4, this is 5. So I need to write two case mode. Case 2, insert beg. Okay, fine, break. And case 3, insert. Okay, last I have put like this. Yeah, so let me say this is insert end. It will just look better, right? So insert begin, insert at end. Okay, right. So I put two more options: insert beginning and insert end. Okay, that's why. And similarly, I've created two functions: so insert beginning, insert at the end. Okay, so now let us understand insert at the beginning. Okay, of the linked list, right? So when I say insert the beginning, say let's consider that we already have a list, right? 12, 34, and 45. Yes, 12, 34, 45, and 45 is okay. Now if I say if I want to insert, suppose a 56, insert at the beginning means I will be inserting before 12. Just look on. Okay. So 56, I will be inserting before 12. So that means after insert of 56, it will appear like this. 56, 12, okay, 34, 45. Yes, right? Okay, right? So I have already a list 12, 12, 34, 45. And then after that, I just want to insert. Insert what? 56 at the beginning of that. So I will have now 56, 12 and all. So how will I going to do this? So let me again create one, new node. And okay, there will be a temporary pointer also. Okay. So now the thing is, temporary pointer doing required. I let me don't write this now whether it is not required. So new node. So let me create allocate the memory for the new node as discussed in the last class. Okay, we have to typecast, right? Start node star. So we are typecasting, and then we are using the function that is malloc, right? And what is the size of the memory we'll give? That will be depend by that will write size of, okay, and struct node. Yes, great. So we have created the new node. Okay, printf. Now enter the element to be inserted in the beginning, right? Yes. So that is CANF, scanf, okay, percentage D, then we'll write ampersand, new node, new node, and info. Yes, done. Okay, now what we are doing, we are inserting at the beginning, right? Inserting at the beginning. So what I will do is now new node, this of next will be equal to start, because we know that start is a pointer which is pointing to the first node. Yes, so new node next will be equal to start, so it will point to that. Now where start will come, now start is not in the so let me say new node is pointing to the start, sorry, start is pointing to the first element, and the first element is 12, right? Now when I write new node next and new node next, okay, equal to start, so now I'm entering 56. Now 56 is pointing to 12. Now after this this created, now which is the first element in the linked list? It is 56, and start points to where? 56 means the first element of the linked list. So that means I have to write start equal to new node. Yes, and that's all. Yes, right. That's all. So this is, I create the new node. Okay, then I enter the value. Okay, and then I say new node next equal to start, and now start equal to new node. That means my start is pointing to 12 and my new node is 56. So 56 next is 12. Now the start has to point to 56, right? So I write start equal to the new node. Yes. Okay, now next function is for void insert end. So insert end is easy because we have done already, because we have to traverse the entire node, right? So here we'll require the temporary pointer, new node, okay, comma, star, temp, okay. So again I will just copy this, because this will be completely similar. Insert it in the beginning, to be inserted at the end. Yes, right. Now what I will do is temp equal to start. Okay, yes. Now what I am actually doing is that now if I want to insert, suppose say a value of say 67, it has to be inserted after 45. So I have to traverse the entire list, right? So I have to traverse the entire list, and after that, after 45, we have to put 67. Yes, that is what we need to do. So we have to traverse the entire list, and then at the end we need to put 67. So that means while temp of next not equal to null, okay, temp next equal to, or temp equal to, sorry, temp equal to temp of next. So we keep on moving, and at the end we write temp of next equal to new node. Okay, and here I will write new node, okay, next equal to null. That's all. Yes, so it's very simple. See, I just created two pointers, new node, and what do you say? Sorry, new node and temporary pointer. Okay, and I created the new node. Yes, I entered the element. Okay, and then I put the next equal to null. Yes, then I take a temporary pointer temp equal to start. So I move to the end, and then after at the end, I just simply add the new node. So it get inserted into the last part of the linked list. So let me save and let me execute. Okay. Oh, sorry, the spelling is mistake. Okay, next. Voidy. Okay, I have written voidy. Okay, save. So undefined again, the same thing because copy paste. Okay, So my choice first creation of linked list. So I insert 12. Again I create, insert 34. Again I create, insert 45, and let me uh, traverse. Okay. Yeah. So I got it. See, 12, 34, 12, 34, and 45. Now I need to insert at the beginning. So my choice is to insert at the beginning. So let me insert what is the 56. Okay. Insert done. Now traverse. So I got 56 at the beginning of the linked list. Okay. Now my choice is insert at the end. So I put 3. Yes. Let me give the value 67. Again, then I will traverse, give 4, and I see that 64 is at the end. Yes. Right. So 12, 34, 45, I have created the linked list. Then at the beginning I have added 56, at the end I have added 67. Okay, so I hope the ending is very easy. Just we have to remember that one the new node of next should be equal to the start, okay, which will point to the start element, and the start now points to the new element, because the starting point now will be your new node itself, right? Okay, we have seen 12, 34, 45. So 56 is once it is going to 56, next is 12. Okay, and then now start is equal to 56 because the first one. And if you want to insert the last, just traverse the entire linked list till the end. Okay, and at the end you just and you just add the new node. Okay, so in this particular session we have seen insert at beginning, insert at end. Okay, now in the subsequent session we will see insert yeah, after an element, before an element. Okay, I hope it is clear. So I hope you are enjoying also, because linked link is very interesting. I hope you are enjoying my video, and if you are liking my video, kindly do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.